Halo, selamat beraktivitas semua. Kali ini saya akan mencoba untuk mengerjakan tugas bahasa Inggris ya, yaitu Unit 2 Study Management Track 3. Listen carefully to the recording. We begin by examining the 6 component higher listening model, which serves as a framework for building up your listening skill. Competency in X competence is developed by acquiring appropriate attitude, learning relevant principle, and demonstrating specific information. The latter, in Hoyer, represent seek interest-laden listening process, learning, understanding, remembering, interpreting, evaluating, and responding. Hearing involves the accurate record test of sound. To hear, you must focus your attention on the speaker. Discriminate among sound and concentration. It is also necessary to understand the physiological aspect on hearing and the principle the govern attention. In addition to learning techniques that improve your concentration, you will also be introduced to the effect of listener apprehension and the importance of non-verbal attending behavior. Understanding the ability to understand what you hear. Listening comprehension improve with vertical. A number of processes involved in comprehension are interpersonal. That is, they take place inside your hand. The section familiarizes you with the nature of human information processing and the concept of inner speak. You learn guidelines to help you improve your understanding of messages as you develop strategies to build your vocabulary. Ask appropriate questions and take effective notes. Remembering, there has been a great deal of research on memory. Remembering is essential if you intend to apply what you have heard in future sessions. In is to acquaint you with the 3 basic memory systems, and the work that has been done is listening training in assessment with regard to the memory process. You will learn key techniques for retaining and reselling information as well as the obstacles that inhibit memory. Creative approaches to problem solving are also encouraged. Interpreting what you interpret a message. You do 2 things. First, you take into account the total communication context. To that, you are better able to understand the meaning of what is said for the speaker is point for wife. Your ability to empathize are to see a station for the other patient perspective requires that you pay attention to emotional meaning and to the communication context. Second, effective listeners let their partner know that they have been understood. It is important to understand non-verbal gestures such as facial expression, body posture, behavior, silence, and vocal cues so that you can develop greater sensitivity to tense important dimension of the communication context. Evaluating. You listen from a unique point of view in the process by your perceptual filter, your past experience, attitude, personal view, and predisposition. It is therefore impossible not to evaluate. To some extent, everything you hear, understand the principle of logic and rational, and recognizing bias, stereotyping, propaganda, and other factors, the many influencers, the calculus you draw, are essential. Effective listener, as you make suspect deliberately reduce the influence of their one viewpoint until they have first understood the speaker's idea, objective, and the sense. It is a prerequisite to making wise evaluation. This unit sensitizes you to language and propaganda and profit guidelines for assessing the speaker credibility. Responding, your partner makes judgment regarding to quality of your listening based largely on the nature of your response. The approach is the communication with each participant and both speaker and listener. The Fourier model incorporates your response as an integral part of the listening process. This approach suggests that effective listener analyze the communication situation and purpose, and there cause an appropriate response for among alternative. Once again, you can see the listening is a prerequisite to formatting an appropriate response. Thank you.